Holy jeez, we got some snow. Look at that. Crazy, guys. Oof. There's a good foot of snow here. Still snowing. All at once, too. It's usually how it is. We get nothing, then a big storm all at once. Alright, let's put the snowblower to some use. And I usually make Mile a little path so he can go use the bathroom. And that's what he does. He can do that for hours. Loses his toy in the snow, and then you gotta find it. Milo, don't you lose that. What are you doing? Don't be losing that. Just to give you guys an idea. Literally, like, almost up to my knee. Well, up to there on my knee. Definitely got a foot of snow. Crazy. Milo, you gotta get in the house, because you're gonna lose your toy. Oh, I think he lost it. Oh, there it is. Hey, Milo, get in the house. He literally, he'll lose his toy, like he'll freeze his paws off if you don't bring him inside. This is the Ariens 1414cc. It's she's got fully loaded hand grips, light. Anyways, I bought this thinking we were gonna move into the country this year, and we're still in the same spot. 30-inch cut. So it says it blows snow about 55 to 60 feet. So let's go ahead. I haven't started this since last winter, so I'll give it a little pump. Turn it on. Gas is on. My GoPro doesn't really catch any footage at night, so trying a little video clip with my phone here. Uh-oh. Okay. That's not gonna work. Get up. Yeah. Okay, something's up. I might have flooded it. Rat trap there. I literally killed 28 rats in a year. Yeah, definitely flooded it. So I had definitely flooded it, and now it's running. But I'll get the girlfriend to record me so you guys can see. Little cold start for you guys. Jeez, 19s are heavy though. My whole rim and tires not much heavier than the 19 alone, but anyways, these are my winters. They're just cheap Chinese winter tires, and as you can see, there's not much tread left to them. I mean, these summers almost have more tread than my winters, but this is just, it's last winter, hopefully. I said that last year, but this is definitely its last winter. The rims are dinged up, but I'm not going to bother fixing them or painting them until the winter's done. And then once the winter's done, then I'll resand them and paint them and sell them, because they have the sensors in them and they are OEM. These are probably the ugliest OEM rims that you can get for the 4th gen. There's some that have way more spokes, like on the A-Spec, and then the 5-speed I believe has different ones, then the 6-speed, and then the front wheel drive has different ones, and then there's like advanced package and tech package. Anyway, so there's a bunch of different styles. I think there's like 4 different styles for the OEM for the 4th gen, and in my opinion these are probably the ugliest ones that come with the 4th gen, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and put these winter tires on, and geez, these are crap. Should have bought new ones. Oh well, just have to take my time, I guess. These are probably on the front, and these were probably on the back, so definitely going to show these on the front, and throw those crappy ones on the back. And yeah, these are definitely front also, and they'll go in the back. I mean, look at the difference in the tread from there to there, like crazy. It's that front wheel drive bias just eats through the tires, and the way I drive, obviously. But, and as you can see, I never got around to painting my calipers like I wanted to this summer, but next summer it will happen. Been a busy, hectic year, that's for sure. I never got to stop working. I mean, I guess that's a good thing, but so I have hub rings on here. These are for those that want to know my wheel specs. I know somebody had asked, but those are the size hub rings you would need for these fast FCO4 18s. Then you get that fitment, I guess you could kind of say. It's not really fitment, obviously, because there's a huge gaping hole there, but that's where I like the wheels to sit. Maybe a tad bit further out, but for me that's perfect. Just needs to be lowered. Kind of just go around it and slowly wiggle it out, but I'm gonna need 2 hands, I think, so you get the idea. Look at that, it's just horrible. So if you want to keep OEM rims and make your car look way better, just get spacers and bring your wheel out right to the fender, and yeah, it'll look way better. Very good on gas. I can't really see it good, but the ambient lighting, I love it. Got a good sound to it, that's for sure. I'm gonna try to, you can't really see the, but snowy road here, covered in snow, and you can take it no problem. Here again, covered in snow. It just powers right out of the turns. I guess you can't really see me turning here. Try to get a better view. Let's try this again. Try the acceleration out of a turn. Picks up speed no problem. You can see here some snow, and we can cut it right sharp. Press on the gas and boom. These are Michelin X Ice that are on here, which I don't find as good as the Blizzaks, but look at that. Roads are pure snow. You'll get the traction light come on, but it just sends all the power perfectly to what wheels it needs to, and it handles amazing in the snow. And that's what these are. That's where these cars shine too, is in the snow for sure. Like, no issues whatsoever. Like when there's snow, this thing will handle better than most 4x4 trucks in the snow, to be honest. Got no worries. Obviously you can't go into a turn wide open, but you don't have to worry about the back end swinging out on you, or as long as you're on the gas. If you're not on the gas, it doesn't really work as good. You gotta be on the gas to get that SH all-wheel drive to work like it should. You're just going in a turn and you're not in the gas, and it's not gonna work. To be honest, it's not gonna handle in the snow any. It's not gonna handle the snow any better than the 4th gen. Like, it's all about what winter tires you have on, and these are brand new winters, so. You can accelerate pretty decently. Like, I didn't even push it to the floor there, but if you want to put it to the floor, you can accelerate really quick, even though it's pure snow and ice. Very, very good in the snow. I apologize if it's shaking like crazy, but whoa, back end kind of went out there. But it literally it can send 100% of the power to the outside rear tire, so it'll come out of the turns real good. And it's just like nothing. Loves the snow. I don't think I'll ever have anything else in the winter than an all-wheel drive. SH all-wheel drive, preferably. Look at that. Pure snow. Get up to speed, no problem. Pull in front of a car, you're not sitting there spinning the tires like with a front-wheel drive. Pretty decent sharp turn here. Anyways, you get the idea. I'm not really showing much of the road, but I'm just kind of holding it with my hand, and handles great.